Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite free tools for editing, Premiere Composer. You can download it from their official website that you see on the screen, or that's linked in the description below. Let's get started. Premiere Composer is a plugin for Premiere Pro that adds a ton of ready-to-use animations, transitions, and sounds. Perfect for speeding up your editing workflow. Once you install it, you'll find it under Window, Extension, Premiere Composer. As you can see, I have put it next to my Effects tab. Now, the starter pack is completely free, and it comes with a bunch of awesome presets and tools you can use right away. Let's go through them. First up is text boxes. These are animated text templates that come with clean motion graphics. You just drag and drop one into your timeline, change the text, and it's ready to go. It's perfect for titles, lower thirds, or name tags. When you click on them, you can preview them before selecting which one you want to use. Then there are text presets, which are pre-made text animations. Things like bounce-ins, slides, fades. Super quick and easy to use. Here you can change the clip duration. You have the transform settings where you can change the position, scale, rotation. You have the regular text settings where you can change stuff like the font, the color, and to add a stroke. And here you can change the settings of the in animation and out animation. Next is my personal favorite part of this plugin, the transitions. These include smooth motion based transitions like slides and zooms that make your cuts look way more dynamic. Just drag them between two clips and you're done. No manual keyframing needed. Some of the transitions even come with custom sound effects that go along with the transition. Next up, we have social media templates. They include pop-up animations with icons and name tags for different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Discord, and YouTube. You can quickly add a follow me animation or your handle with just a couple of clicks. Next up are shape elements. These are animated arrows, lines, and geometric shapes you can use to point out things in your video or add a little motion design flair. They're simple but super effective for guides and tutorials. And don't forget, all of these effects have their own settings you can mess with. And finally, you've got sounds, a built-in library of clicks, whooshes, pops, and swipes that you can use to enhance transitions or motion graphics. They make everything feel more polished and professional. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.